What's up, everybody? Happy Saturday. We're in Parkville today. We're doing some mold sampling in a small condo where the couple and their kids, they were starting to get some symptoms, coughing, things like that. So they looked at their HVAC system and realized that they had a lot of water, a lot of condensation, mold growth, you name it. So we kind of walked them through that process of what to do, how to address it. They worked with their landlord. Supposedly it's been remediated. We're here today to do a test for the client. So we have our partners, Peak Environmental, coming out today just because they're one of the best. We're going to set up some air samples around the perimeter of the condo. I'm going to look at the HVAC system, make sure that no leaks exist. Again, I talk about it all the time. It stemmed from the condensation drain. It stemmed from dirty air filters. All of that water was leaking and creating mold in the ducts. So we're out here today to help them out, check it out, see what's going on, and hopefully everything's going to be okay. We'll get the results in probably by tomorrow, I'm sure, or Monday, tomorrow, Sunday, just to make sure everybody can get back in the house and be safe. So here we go. So like I said, we're at a condo, so the HVAC system is outside, okay? Right off the bat, this is the drain for the condensation drain here. This is not draining. Okay, we can clearly see that. There's moisture here. This is the condensation drain here that comes out of the HVAC. And this pipe running all the way up, that's the apartment above. Now, all of the water and moisture they were getting was likely from this condensation drain dripping all the way down, okay, right into their apartment. And we can still see here, even though they said it's been remediated, we can see how wet it is, which means it's still dripping. This right here, this wall, that's their finish space. That's their living room. That's where they hang out. So that's our first problem that I'm picking up, is this upstairs. This is, I mean, this is wet. Look at it. Okay, so that's definitely going right inside the house. And needless to say, the system probably isn't operating at its best either. So let's take this cover off and see what's inside. All right, so we got the cover off this system. Let's look at a couple things. First and foremost, this. That air is being pulled from this room, or the exterior in this case, because it's a gas furnace, so we need some combustion air, right? So that's pulling all of this air and moisture from here on the outside once this is sealed up. So yeah, that's definitely not good, because since we have this issue and we had mold growth all up here, all this has been replaced by the landlord. Okay, so it's likely pulling everything through here and into the house. We're back inside with this air filter here. And this is that area from the exterior where it's pulling the air and recirculating it through. Put our moisture meter on the wall. This is the reading we're going to get. Their air monitoring equipment set up here. So this is sampling the air for mold.